In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on night light on your Windows 10 laptop. So to turn on night light, just click on this Action Center in Windows 10. Right side bottom corner, you will find this Action Center. So click on it and then click on night light. So you will see light is changed. So it's a quick and easy method to turn on night light. And if you want to turn off, so click on it, so it will be turn off. And another way, click on start and type night light and click on night light system settings. Screens emit a blue light which can keep you up at night. Night light display warner color to help you sleep. So you can set the time and also you can set strength like this. You can schedule night light, set hours like turn on this time and turn off on that time. So this is, friends, by this simple and quick method you can turn on night light in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.